Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're unboxing the ColourPop mystery bag. This just came in the mail this morning. I have my friend Stephanie behind the camera because we both got a bag. I know everybody else has gotten their bag before me, but I did ask on Instagram if you guys wanted me to unbox it anyways, so that's what we're doing. I have watched some videos, so I do know what's in the bags, but the shades vary from what I could tell. Did you watch many videos?
A few.
And like some colors were different, but it's like everyone got a highlighter, everyone got 2 super shock shadows, that sort of thing. Which one do you want?
That one.
I really hope that I don't get any duplicate products. I do have a decent size ColourPop collection. Oh, these weren't even like actually sealed. Like, why are they a tear off? Okay. Let's get wild. You want to just reach in?
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't even get mine open. Okay.
It's stuff. Ooh.
Okay, first I pulled out a Super Shock highlighter in the shade Counting Sheep. This is the packaging that their holiday collection came in. I didn't buy anything from their holiday collection. I can't even get this open. I do have 2 ColourPop highlighters and I do really like them. I was kind of hoping I would get the pink one that I saw everyone getting. But this is like, oh, this is glittery. It's a little glittery for what I typically like. You guys probably can't even see it at all on my hand. It's like a pale yellow gold with a lot of glitter.
Yeah, it's pretty. You want to swatch this one? That's so pretty.
What did you get? Okay, Stephanie pulled out the ColourPop pressed powder shadow first in the shade Come and Get It. This reminds me of Urban Decay, what's it called? Fireball and Makeup Geek Mai Tai. It's like a pinky peachy with a gold reflex to it. That is super pretty. I don't have any of these single pressed ones. Okay. I know there's a ton of lip products in here. I pulled out the new mascara. When we bought the mystery bags, these hadn't yet launched, but they have now. I'm really happy that they gave the black one. The color ones look fun, but in terms of testing out a new mascara, I'm glad it's the black one. The packaging is super cute. It has BFF all over it. It says lashes check. I'm not going to open that up because I don't want it to start drying out. I already have a mascara open right now. What did you get?
The Super Shock shadow.
In the shade Sequin. Oh, this looks very similar to the this one.
Yeah.
The pressed one. So it's also like a peachy pink type of shade. And this is an ultra glitter shadow. I won't touch it before you do.
No, you can touch it.
You sure?
Yeah.
I feel bad. I'm like touching all your stuff too.
Alrighty.
I love the texture of these products. They're like kind of creamy but kind of not. Make sure you close these super tight because or else they'll dry out.
Do you have any of these ones?
Yeah, I have a ton of them. Oh, it's much more like orangey copper compared to the other ones, but I bet they'll go together really nice. I got an ultra blotted lip. I don't have any of these in the shade Doozy. Ooh, it's so pretty. These are supposed to be like a semi-sheer type of formula and more comfortable. Oh yeah, I can tell it's not super pigmented even swatching on my hand. I'm excited to finally try a lip color like this.
Ooh, that's pretty. That is really
super pretty.
I think I got the same highlighter as you.
I got...
Counting Sheep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Stephanie got the same highlight as I did, but so far I haven't pulled out like any of my eyeshadows, and you haven't pulled out your lip products or anything, so we don't know if those colors are going to be the same. Okay. An ultra glossy lip in the shade Flying Horses. I don't have this one either.
I got the Lippy Sticks in Ziggy Matte X.
Ooh, I like the Matte X formula. This is what the color of the gloss looks like. It looks mauve-y. I don't have a lot of really colorful glosses. Ooh, I don't like brush tip lip glosses. Whatever. Ooh, it's kind of like a raspberry color. It's right here. It's obviously sheer because it's a lip gloss, but...
This one's more like... What would you say that is? More... I don't know.
Kind of like a brownish orange kind of color. This is Ziggy. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, I have a liquid lipstick similar to this color. It's kind of like Miami Fever by Ofra. It's like a burnt orange type of color. It's right here.
Still pretty.
Yeah, I really like that. That would look good in the fall time, actually. My hand's so full of swatches. Oh. I pulled out a Super Shock shadow in the same color, Sequin, so the only two products that we've pulled out we have the same color in.
Yeah.
So that's this color right here. I'll do a close-up of these swatches once we're done pulling everything out. What did you get?
The Luxe lipstick in Mesmerize.
I love the print on the bullet. So this is a Velvet Blur lipstick. This is a new release as well, same as the mascara, like brand new products, and the shade Mesmerize. This just looks like a nice like mauve nude shade. Oh. So this is like the ultra blotted lip where it's kind of sheer. That would be like a good like everyday type of lipstick. That's super pretty.
It smells like coconut.
Does it? Oh wow. Yeah, it does. I'm glad they put new releases in. You see so many companies do mystery bags and it's like all the old crap that's just sitting on shelves they want to get rid of. Okay, I pulled out the Lippy Sticks in Ziggy, so same. We didn't get a lot of variety.
No.
Was that the mascara?
Yeah.
And you got black too?
Black on black.
I'm glad that they put in the black color.
Yeah.
Because they have like neon colors, which would be fun, but
yeah, it's not every day.
we'd use it like on Halloween or something. We got the Luxe Velvet Blur lipstick in Mesmerize as well.
I got the Super Shock shadow in Party of 5.
Here, let me just pull mine out and see, so I don't have to touch yours.
It looks like the...
Same. The second Super Shock shadow we got is in Party of 5.
It's similar to the pressed powder shadow.
Is
Same
it?
color, yeah.
This is also an ultra glitter shade. So we got two ultra glitters. I don't have any ultra glitter, I don't think. Although I have a lot of Super Shock shadows in general. Oh, it looks kind of like purpley with a little like blue glitter. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's really pretty.
Yeah.
Like the glitter almost gives it like a duochrome kind of look, because in the light you can see the blue glitters in it. That's pretty. Okay, I have the pressed shadow in Come and Get It, which is again the same. That's this one.
I have the ultra glossy lip in Flying Horses. If it's the same as yours.
Yeah.
So
That's
pretty.
super weird. I have definitely seen that there are variations in shade between the bags, and I ordered two and they gave us the exact same products.
Yeah, it's weird.
I mean, I wonder how random is it?
Yeah.
Because that kind of sucks. Like, what if you bought two for yourself?
Yeah, you'd have the same things.
Yeah.
Then I got the ultra blotted lip in Doozy.
Yep, same.
Okay.
So we got all the same shades. So if ColourPop does a mystery bag again. This one is sold out. I would not recommend buying two thinking you'll get double the amount of products to try, because same shades of everything. So we got 9 products. We got 2 Super Shock Shadows. These are $5 each. I'll have the retail value down in the description box or on the screen right now. We got 1 Pressed Shadow, which I also believe are $5. A Super Shock Cheek, which is $7 or $8. 8, I believe. US dollars, I should say. A Luxe Lipstick, which is $7. I don't know how much the mascara is because I haven't looked online since they launched these, but all these other lippies are about $6 US each.
And it's not like colors that you won't use.
They didn't put like a blue lipstick or something, which is really great. I'm now going to jump into a close-up of all these swatches on my hand so you can maybe get a better idea of the shades that were in here. If you want to see any of these products in upcoming videos, be sure to let me know. enjoyed today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!